Welcome to our freight community. In this video segment, I will demonstrate that Cargo Auctions is not only a regular load board, but it is a freight bidding transportation application where you can post your loads and choose to receive bids from carriers online. In this particular segment, I will show you how to massively broadcast your load to thousands of carriers in multiple states of your choice. The first thing I need to do is to start posting my load. On the first page, I can choose how I want to post my load, as an RFQ or a flat rate. I'm going to choose the RFQ option. Here, I'm able to choose who I want to post it for, only for my preferred carriers, or private listing, or for any carriers out there, or public listing. In this case, I'll choose the public listing and click Next. Here, I'm able to specify the states that I want to broadcast my load alerts to and immediately notify all carriers that originate from those states. Since my load originates in Dallas, Texas, and is going to Jacksonville, Florida, I'll select Texas and Florida. I'll select if it's a full truckload or LTL. Here, I'm able to input the origin info along with the pickup date and time, pallet count, as well as the weight. Then I'm able to specify the destination along with the delivery date and time, and then click Next. On this page, I'm able to select the logistics specifications about my load. Type of equipment required, equipment length, number of axles, type of floor, other load requirement, team required or not, commodity or class, and then just click Next. And here I'm able to include important information in my own words that I would like carriers to see before submitting their bids. Since I know that this is a time-sensitive load and it must be picked up and delivered on time, here in this section I'm able to specify to the interested carriers ahead of time how much it would be deducted from their agreed rate if they are late. In the following section, the opposite rule comes in place. Here, I can specify how much the carrier will get paid if delayed at no fault of his own. In this section, I can specify my offered rate, number of loads I have available, payment terms, who pays the freight, how do I want to receive the bids, over the phone or online. If I choose over the phone, I can just import my contact information from my profile, but in this case, I will choose online. Then I can input cargo insurance required, can specify when the listing to start and when to finish. I can highlight the listing and bold it and click Confirm. Please keep in mind that many of these fields throughout the posting process are optional, and I'm not required to input everything. I just choose to do so because more info I include on my listing, better quality bids I will receive, and less questions I'll get from the interested bidders. And remember, once you post one load, you don't have to start from scratch to post the next one. All you need to do is go to your dashboard, then to Loads, select the load of your choice, and open it, and then click on Create Similar Listing. When you open it, you will see that all the inputs from the original listing will be already preset, and all you need to do is just amend your listing with the new info and post it. Realistically, it takes about 20 to 30 seconds to post a subsequent listing. Let me just briefly show you how the listing I just posted looks like from the carrier's perspective. This is my listing. On the bottom of the listing is the area where the bidders can submit their bids and attach authorities. Once uploaded, they can submit their bids. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I hope that you found this video to be constructive and educational.